This girl became famous for creating a super original TikTok. Look at what she did. By using the camera angle and distance, she managed to make herself look really small. Then, with a hairdryer, she set everything up to make it look like she was about to be sucked in. Just as she lowered the hairdryer, the video was paused. That's when they used a paper cutout, an exact copy of her in the perfect position to be sucked in. She placed it under the hairdryer and carefully adjusted the camera. But right then, something didn't go as expected. But before you see the final result, you have a choice to make. On one side, money. On the other, parents. Who do you choose? If you choose parents, like this video and subscribe to the channel, she succeeded.